Hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel and this video. In this video I'm going to talk about what is the best font size to use when you are on mobile phone or whether you are browsing through the laptop. So along with that I'm also going to tell you about other tips that you may find useful by browsing or doing the online reading. So let's get started. So to quickly answer your question, the answer is that I've been doing a lot of research lately as I was wondering what would be the best font size, and I found one best answer on the web, and that is that let's say you're watching your screen from a distance of like 20 to 40 inches and it is an average distance. So look at the smallest font size that is available to you and that is also visible to you. So what I mean is, let's say that font size of 10 is clearly visible to you and it is the smallest font size. What I mean by this is that if you go to the 9, then it won't be clearly visible to you. You will struggle getting what is written in that font size. So whatever the smallest size is, the font size should be three times of that size. So in that case we were talking about the size 10, so the font size should be 30. So it may vary in your case and it also depends on the circumstances. So it's not only the font size that matters, there are other things that matters also. Some of the things like the font style. So it also depends which kind of fonts you are using, and sans-serif is considered to be the best for eyes because it won't give you much strain, and other factors also matter, like the line spacing should be uh, clearly visible and they should be kind of more readable in nature, and colors also matter. The best combination what I found on the internet was white background and black text, and I also found that some websites uses gray text and it may not be that beneficial for the eyes. So if you are a web developer, so you should consider using the black fonts if you're developing it for a more readably purpose and you want to optimize your web pages. And apart from that, one thing that is also to be taken care of is that lighting in the room. So the lighting in the room also affects, and apart from that, brightness of your laptop or your mobile also affects. So the brightness should be according to the background light, or I would say the light in the surrounding or your room light in this case. So if you're sitting at a place like say high bright light is there, like sunlight is there, so you should increase your brightness. Apart from that, I personally use kind of dark background with white text, so I use dark theme, so it kind of saves battery, but it may not be the best thing for the eye. It could be the best thing if you're browsing in a low light situation, like you're browsing the internet or doing other stuff, maybe just reading a Kindle book and you're doing it at the night. So it is best only for the night situation and low light conditions. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope you found it very helpful. Thank you for watching this video.